Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to free up the hard drive space on your Windows 10 and 11 version, and you can choose the other version as well to follow these steps. For that, go to here, search bar, then type here run, click on run option, okay, and type here clean mzr, hit ok, and choose the C drive, and after that you can choose the other drive, but first choose C drive, click on OK, and you will see here the Windows update files, which is more than 5 GB or 6 GB. So you can choose all the options here. Okay, tick all the options, click on OK, click on delete files. This will free up almost 5 to 6 GB data, which is not for your use. So let it delete. Now it is delete. Again, go to run or press window plus R button together. Again hit same command, clean mcr, hit OK. This time choose the D drive or the other drive you have, click on OK. Choose all the options which is showing, click on OK. Okay, so we have cleaned up the Windows update with the clean mzr. So we will also delete the cache file inside our Windows. So press window plus R button together and type prefetch, hit OK. You need to have admin rights to access this command. You can see here, click on continue, and by default Windows make all the files, so these files are not useful for you. Select Ctrl A to select all, and then hit shift plus delete button, okay, to permanently delete these options. Okay, 246 items deleted, cut it. Then we will delete the temp files. So press window plus R button, type temp, okay, or press enter. You can see here all the by default files. So let me delete this. Press Ctrl A and then shift plus delete button together. 87 files. It's deleting. Okay. Yes. Continue. Okay. You can also choose the other command, percentage temp, percentage, to delete all the temp files on a user base. Continue. Some of the files we cannot delete, so leave it at default. Cancel this. So we have successfully deleted the Windows update files and the temp files. So in the other method, we will go to control panel. Okay, open control panel. Choose large icons here. I have already chosen. Click on programs and features. Okay, and you can delete all the unwanted files from here, which if you don't want to use those files, you can delete like this. Okay, so deleted the unwanted files from here, and if you want to analyze which software and which programs are taking more hard disk, so go to here, start menu, click on here setting icon, then click on this option system, click on here storage. Now this will show you all the details about which programs and which users are taking the more data. So more categories. Now it is calculated now. System reserve 20 GB. So you can analyze like so videos or desktop, other people. Okay. You can remove unusual account. It is also suggesting. documents, temporary files, you can also delete from here. Click on here and then you will see here the delete options. Okay, okay, it is scanned now. Select all the files from here as well. Okay, take all the options like so and click on remove files. This will also free up your space, your hard drive space. So these are the possible methods to free up your hard drive space. If you are unable to do that and if you are still out of your storage, for extending your hard drive, go to here search bar, then type a disk mc. Okay, and you will see here the create and format hard drive disk partition. Click on this option, let it open, and you can choose the hard drive. It is usually all the people almost install the Windows in C drive, so you need to delete the next to the your drive, and then you will see the option of extend volume. Okay, extend volume, you will see the options. I'm getting this gray out since my system is recovery partition is next to C drive, so I don't want to delete this, but you should get the option of extend drive after deleting other partition. So these are the possible ways to fix the problem of hard drive. Okay, so these are the possible ways to free up the space from your hard drive. So hope this video is useful for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.